Liam, and Jason's puppy. Oh, good. All the dogs have made it to math class today. Jason, what's your dog's name?
Howie. He didn't really mind because I'm just spending the night at my aunt's house. But he's my aunt.
What's his name?
Maui.
What's yours name, Liam?
Max.
Max.
I have one at home that's named Max.
Okay. You don't want to be on camera.
There's Sophia's. They're all here today.
Dog, Allie, you got one?
No. Oh, there's Donald's.
Allie.
Oh gosh.
Dogs made it. Oh, good.
Dogs. It's the dog party.
Donald, what's yours name? Is it Murphy?
Murphy, yeah.
Sophia, what's yours?
Weeks. Let's lead a meeting. Meeting of puppies.
No, wait.
Sophia, what's your dog's name?
Right. Pay attention to the camera.
Yeah. All right. Let's let the puppies down.
Okay. There you go.
And go mute. And we can go ahead and get started. Everybody go mute. Looks like Sophia's working on it. Here comes Donald back. All right. Who has had a chance, just raise your hand, to watch the chapel video? Good. Did you guys like the puppets? They were pretty funny, weren't they? That is Mrs. Green's son, and he is a youth pastor in Florida. And he did a whole series of videos in the spring while they were on quarantine. So we watched one today, and then we'll watch one next week as well. Okay. Did everybody get their work done from yesterday? Okay. Today, who's taking the history test? Anybody already taken the history test? Okay, make sure that you use your study guides and your book, okay? Look up those answers and make sure that you get the correct answers. There's no reason for you not to do well on it when you can use your book, okay? All right, let's review from yesterday's math lesson, our 2 digits. I think this is a little bit easier to see. Is it easier to see on this board than the smart board? Okay, so we have 442 times 26. Remember, these are called factors, and we're going to try to find the product. All right, get you a little bit closer here. 442 times 26. We start multiplying in the ones place with my 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry my 1. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 1 is 25. Carry my 2. 6 times 4 is 24. Times 2 is 26. Okay, remember that when we're multiplying, we add our carry up here. Okay, so now I'm done with the ones place. I'm multiplying by the tens place. I have to put a 0 before I start multiplying. Okay, so now I'm multiplying by the tens place, so my first number is going to go in the tens place here. 2 times 2 is going to be 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Right? These are called partial products. Now I'm adding those together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 8 is 11. So 11,492. Questions on that? Okay, Don't forget that 0. Okay, if you forget that 0, the whole problem's going to be wrong because of the place value. Okay, I'm going to go turn the light off to see if we can get rid of that glare. So I'll be right back. Let's see. All right, the glare's gone now, so we'll see if you can still see it. All right, so today we're doing 3-digit multiplication, 3-digit multiplication, and it's going to be exactly the same way, except now we're doing 3 digits instead of 2 digits. Okay, yesterday I told you, that's better. Yesterday I told you that how many ever digits is in your bottom factor, that's how many partial products you should have. So how many partial products is this problem going to have? Somebody raise their hand and I'll call on you and you can unmute. Gracie?
3.
3. There's going to be 3 partial products. Okay. 6 times 4, 24. Carry my 2. 6 times 4, 24, plus 2, 26. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Okay, now my 1 digits is gone. They're done. Now I'm going to start multiplying by 3. I've got to put that 0. And now I can start multiplying in the tens place. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry my 1. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Carry my 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Now my tens place is done. Now I'm multiplying by the hundreds place. So what do you think I have to do down here? If I had to put 1 0 here because my ones place was done, what do you think I'm going to have to do down here? Liam?
You'll put 2 zeros.
Yes. My ones place is done. My tens place is done. Now I'm working on my third place, which is the hundreds place. So I had to put 2 zeros here. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 1, 2. Okay, at the very beginning, we said we needed 3 partial products. Jason, do I have 3 partial products?
Yes.
Yes, I do. So, Jason, what am I going to do now?
Add them.
I'm adding them up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 0, still 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Plus 8 is 19. Carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 8 is 13. Carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 33,984. 3 digits on my bottom factor, 3 partial products. Multiplied my ones. My ones was done, so I put a 0. Start multiplying by my tens. It was right here. Ones was done, tens was done. Now I'm multiplying by the hundreds place. So then I start putting my answer here. You have to put those zeros, okay? Questions? Everybody's clear? Okay, so today you're doing 3-digit multiplication. Tomorrow you have worksheets. We'll meet for just a few minutes tomorrow and kind of review. I'll have a quizzes ready for you guys to take. And then on Friday, we will not have Zoom. Friday is put that down please, Sophia. Friday is a math quiz. So you'll take your math quiz, but you won't come on Zoom on Friday. Okay, no Zoom on Friday. Tomorrow we'll meet real quickly before you take your quiz. We'll do a quiz and then we'll be finished, okay? All right, I'm gonna put one problem on the board. I want you to work it out on your piece of paper before we leave, and we'll walk through it one more time, and then you guys will be good to go. 573 times 823. Right? If we don't know our multiplication tables, this is extremely difficult. So make sure that you know your multiplication tables so we can do them quickly. Okay, I'm going to give you a few minutes. Go ahead and start working that out, and then I'll start working it out as well. You can compare answers. 573 times 823. Make sure you've added those zeros in, Sophia. Check your partial products. Make sure your zeros are in your partial products. Okay, just check your work. Keep working as I'm working it out on the board so you can check it. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 7, 21. Carry my 2. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. Put my 0, because now I'm multiplying by the tens place. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 7, 14. Carry my 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Now I'm putting 2 zeros because my ones place has been multiplied, my tens place has been multiplied. Now I'm multiplying by my hundreds place. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 7, 56, plus 2 is 58. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 5 is 45. My 3 partial products. Now I'm adding them together. That's 9, 7, 15, 11, 7, 4. 471,579. 8, 9, 10, 11 right here. 471,579. Okay, we have a couple of you that does not have the right answer. So do you have questions? Make sure you put those zeros. Anybody have any questions? Okay, today's workbook page is 59 and 60. Workbook page 59 and 60. Okay. I want you to do 4 through 36 even. 4 through 36 even. 4 through 36 even are the problems you're going to do. Okay. 10 and 12, 10, 12, 14, those are story problems using the charts above it. 16 and 18 is completing the equation based upon your properties that you know. 20, 22, 24 are just multiplying. 26, 28, and 30, you're writing the multiples. Remember that when you're doing your multiples, that's skip counting, and you start with the number that they gave you. So on 26, it starts with 6, so you go 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Okay. 32 and 34, you're writing the factors. Start with 1, then go to 2, 3, and go so on and so on. Make sure you get all of your factors written, and then write prime or composite. 36, you're multiplying by multiples of 10. Multiply your real numbers and then add your zeros. And then 38, it says that David tried to solve the problem, but he had a mistake. So find the mistake and then solve it properly. 4 through 36 even. Okay. Anybody have any questions? All right. Make sure that you do get all of your work completed. Okay, and you can get it turned, so when we come back, you can have it all turned back in. Make sure that you write quiz at the top of that Bible verse. You can use your Bibles, just copy the verse at the top, put Psalm 84:11 quiz. Okay, your history test, use your books. Make sure you look up the answers. There's no reason for you not to get a good grade on it.